Hey guys, today we're going to look at how you loop over an array of objects in JavaScript, but we're going to use a new way as opposed to the for loop. A lot of people who use React and ES6 in general will see this new .map way of looping. So what is that? It's a nice way of basically looping over stuff. So let's, as always, go through this by showing an example, okay? So let's create first of all a array. And this array is just going to be made up of objects, and each object will have a name. So just copy this down here so we don't take forever. And that's test2, test3. Okay. So console.log our array, pretty straightforward. We have our array of objects. Okay. So let's say we want to loop over each array. What we might do is use a for loop here, but we can now use a map. So the way a map works is, first of all, we say what do we want to loop over, so it's the array, and then we do .map, okay, and that's a function. Inside here we have an anonymous function, so we'll use ES6 arrow functions, and each one, i.e. each object here, because we're mapping over the array variable, which is an array, we'll call item. So we can call this whatever we want. And what we will do here is we'll go ahead and for each one we'll just return a console.log of the item. Okay? So if we rerun this, we get each object. So you can see how the map kind of works there. It's a really nice syntax. It's very, very simple. It's basically like a for loop, and it definitely trips people up when they see it, but it's just another way to loop over things such as an array of objects or an array. What I'll do, I'll just tie the syntax up a bit here using ES6. Because we have one parameter, it's a nice little trick as well. We don't have to wrap it in parentheses. And because we immediately return here, we can actually tie this up further. We can go ahead and just put our console there and close out the map. Okay? So if we run this, we get the same. So if we do item.name, we get each name of the object. So that's it, guys. It's really, really nice syntax. The first part is what you're mapping over. Then you do .map, and you give each item a reference point. So if we call this x, we would just say x.name. We get the same result. And then you can go ahead and do whatever you want in there for each one. So I hope this helped a small bit about the map function here in JavaScript. And as always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.